Just give me a minute. What's the color of this solution? This. This. Okay, that's nice. So now here, this is the yellow color solution. And in this, I'm going to add solution. So let's see anything happen or not. No, nothing happen. No. Let's see with this, anything happen. Let's see a magic here. So just give me a minute. I have another test tube with me. Okay? Just give me a minute. I have to add this in this. So this is the yellow color solution. So in this I will add something. ठीक है? जो आपको नहीं दिख रहा. So I'll add something on this yellow color solution, and we'll see is there any change. Can you see any change here? Yeah. What happened now? What's the color of this? What's the color of this solution now? Red. Red. Okay, now this is red, this is red. Both are red. Okay. Now I have one more solution with me. Okay. In this, let me add this. In this also, no change. Okay. Let me add on this. Let's see, is there any change? Can you say any change? Yes, ma'am. So transparent solution turned pink. Okay. Can I reverse this? Can I reverse this? क्या मैं इसको change कर सकती हूँ? बताओ, क्या कलर जो पहले था, like it was yellow, क्या मैं इसको वापस yellow और इसको transparent कर सकती हूँ? Can I do the magic? Yes. Who is saying yes? How many of you are agree that I can do that magic? I can change the color. Who are saying? Bolo, bolo, I want to see. Okay, I can see many students are saying. But how? Who can tell me how? Again, I have this transparent solution in beaker. So let me see, I can do this or not. Oh, it really happened. Did you see that? ऐसे ऐसा भी हो सकता है गलती से हो गया मैम से, है ना? It can be happen by mistake. So let's confirm it. ये तो फिर से हो गया. It again. So let's see with this, क्या ये वापस ऑरेंज कलर में टर्न होते हैं? Let's see that. Yes. Yes. So what this thing is all about? क्या है ये चीज? What we did right now? क्या किया ये हमने? What's our topic today? Who can tell me based on these things what we did? What is the topic of today? Yes. What's the topic? ये सब क्या था? What we have done, beta? It's all about magic or it's all about science? Yes, it's all about science. When we are saying it's all about the science, which topic then? Which topic? Yes, acid, bases, and salt. So this is the magic of acid, bases, and salt. अब ये जो magic था, in day-to-day life, we can do this. ठीक है? There are a lot of magic with acid, bases, and salt. And in today class, we are mainly concerned with the acid zone. ठीक है? आज हम सिर्फ acid को ही लेके mainly बात करेंगे. अच्छा, acid से मुझे याद आया. How many of you have seen or visited Taj Mahal? किसी ने देखा है ताज महल? Have you visited Taj Mahal? No. किसी ने नहीं देखा? बेटा next vacation में try to go with your parent and see the beauty of Taj Mahal. It comes under 7 wonder. हमारी देश में 7 wonder में से एक है और हम उसी को ना देख पाए हैं? Try to plan out. It's really very beautiful and it's really different from other monuments also. So when we or image किसी ने देखी है? Have you seen the image of Taj Mahal? Yes, that you have seen. That's nice. So here I'm going to show you the image of Taj Mahal first. So what this picture is showing? Can you tell me what this picture is showing right now? Yes. what it is showing us, why there is two image in one image, एक image में two images क्यों है, what it is telling us about. You can say it's a fully bright, इतना डल नहीं है, ठीक है, but to contrast difference दिखाने के लिए इसको थोड़ा सा किया गया है. Can you tell me why there is a difference between these two picture? All the both are Taj Mahal. दोनों ही ताज महल है. Yes? क्या हुआ है ताजमहल को, कौन बता सकता है? What happened to the Taj Mahal? And it actually happened. It actually happened. धीरे 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 सब बोलोगे, मैम को कुछ नहीं समझ आएगा. Those who know, just raise your hand. जिसको पता है वो रेज करो, come forward or speak from your desk only. Yes? What happened to the Taj Mahal? क्या हुआ ताजमहल को, किसकी वजह से हुआ? चलो ये बता दो. What was the factor? What was the causative agent? Acid rain. And what is acid rain? Rain भी acid होती है? अच्छा, yes. But how? How acid becomes rain becomes acid? Yes, who can tell me how rain becomes acid? Any of you? Let me show you through this picture. सब इसको ध्यान से देखो, ठीक है? Now अभी नोट नहीं करना, पहले ध्यान से देखो. Industries, okay, जहाँ industries होंगी, what they are going to do? They are going to release or they are going to burn fuel, and that fuel upon burning releases acids. So you can see acid, not gas. And those gases, when they go up in the sky during the rain, react with the water and they form acid. And when that acid come down along with the rain, it become acid rain. ठीक है? अब ये कैसे होता है? Let me show you for this. Let's go to the board here. अब इसको लिख भी लो, because this type of question can come in your NSO also. ठीक है? इसको लिखो बेटा, everyone. So इसको देखो, industries, from industries, harmful gases, ठीक है? Which gases we are mainly concerned about? Sulfur dioxide, ठीक है? Even carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxides, these gases released from the burning of fuels in industries, ठीक है? Where it is, these gases are going, they are going in the sky, in the air only. During the rain, okay, during the rain, what happened? Water, the formula of water is H2O. This H2O reacts with these gases. Specifically, let's consider two gases. These are the mainly responsible for the acidic rain. Sulfuric acid, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides. So these reacts with water, and what they form? Sulfuric acid, H2SO4, sulfuric acid, and nitric acid. And these acidic lower the pH of the rainwater. Rainwater का जो pH था, pH, is this chapter done in your class? So I think you all are familiar with this term pH, है ना? pH सबको पता है. 7 is neutral. अब 7 pH से जो नीचे होता है, that is acidic. Because now two acids are present mainly in the water, rainwater. It lowers the pH of the rainwater, lowers the pH of rainwater and make the rainwater acidic. And that rain is called acid rain. अब ये acid rain marble पे जब गिरेगी, so what it does? The nature of the acid, mainly, not every acid, the nature of the acids are corrosive. Corrosive मतलब किसी चीज को गलाना, जलाना, ठीक है? So marble पे जब गिरेगी, it will work in the same manner. And because of this acid rain, marble का जो brightness था, वो कम हो गया. तो जब environmentalist ने उनको देखा, so what they did, उन्होंने एक प्रोटोकॉल लगाया, एक बैन लगाया within the radius of 5 किलोमीटर, ठीक है, 5 किलोमीटर तक ताजमहल के इंडस्ट्रीज नहीं होनी चाहिए। और जो इंडस्ट्रीज हैं उनमें जो फ्यूल है, दे यूज फ्यूल दैट विल नॉट रिलीज दीज गैसेस। और ये अभी तक ये चीज इम्प्लीमेंट होती है, ऐसा नहीं है कि उस टाइम जब हुआ तभी किया, नो, इट स्टिल इट इज इम्प्लीमेंटेड, ठीक है। सो दिस इज व्हाट हैपेंड टू द ताजमहल ड्यू टू एसिड रेन। व्हाट इज इन द मार्बल? इट्स कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट। आई विल शो यू हियर, ठीक है, मैं आपको दिखाती भी हूँ। सो हियर इन दिस कप व्हाट आई हैव पुट, I'll show you, just give me a minute. Egg, okay, there is a egg. ये egg मैंने बेटा कल डाला था, not today, ठीक है। 2 eggs I have put here. So I'll show you when this is acid vinegar that is easily available at your home also. You can do this at your home. आप अपने घर पे भी कर सकते हो, ठीक है। आपकी मम्मा जो है अचार डालते होंगे, विनेगर सिरका पड़ा होगा। So just what you need to do, take 2 eggs, ठीक है। So what you need to do, you have to put it. So now I'll zoom it and show you कि मेरे हाथ में व्हाइट कलर जो है शेल का रिलीज हो रहा है। यू कैन सी, देखो, कैन यू सी इन माई थंब? देखो मेरे थंब पे, यू कैन सी द व्हाइट कलर ऑफ द शेल। कैन यू सी दिस? इज इट विजिबल? यस। सो यू कैन सी हियर ऑल्सो। अगर आप नॉर्मली एग को लोगे, पानी में करोगे, दिस थिंग विल नॉट हैपन, बिकॉज what I did, I put it this egg in the vinegar solution or vinegar that is weak acid, ठीक है, strong acid नहीं है, but because it is acid with the time it will show it result. So यहाँ पर भी इसने अपना result दिखाया, so you can see. So now I'll show you my hand, my palm. So it's white. Can you see now? This is what happened. ये वाला ये egg जो है, it's 24 hours treatment. After 24 hours of treatment with vinegar, जो vinegar के साथ 24 hours रखा. Now I have one more egg. Okay, just give me a minute. I have to take some precautionary measure because that can, break down easily. So for this, I need some material like this so that it will not spill. अब ये जो है, ध्यान से देखना बेटा, I'll show you. It's like a balloon. ये देखो मैं, I can press it. If you can see, like a balloon, water balloon, I can press it. ये देखो, bouncy. It becomes bouncy. And if you can see, थोड़ा सा अगर हम इसको zoom करके, I'll show you. So you can see the inner part of the egg also. I'll show you. Here you can see. देखो इसको ध्यान से. You can see I am removing the shell. देखो इसकी shell में आराम से remove कर रही हूँ. ये देखो. Can you see that light yellow color? Yes, beta. Can you see this? This light yellow color from the inside. ये देखो थोड़ा transparent है ये. थोड़ा सा translucent, not transparent, translucent. Can you see this? Is it visible? Yes or no? जल्दी से आंसर बताओगे तभी I will move ahead ना. Yes? Yes. Can you see? ये देखो यहाँ पर I remove the shell from here by rubbing. So you can see it's big translucent. You can see the orange color part from here. ये देखो इसको मैं और vinegar से इसको remove कर रही हूँ. So you can see this. See? It is well. See, अब तो आपको ज्यादा दिखेगा. You can see it. It is more prominent from here. Can you see this? Yes. So here it is bouncy also. If I press it, ये एकदम निकल के आ जाएगा. और ये shell जो है, it will behave like a rubber. जो rubber होता है, you can stretch it, you can fold it. ठीक है? So it is very bouncy. Let me try if I can break it because it becomes a bit messy here. So if I can do it, let me try to do it for you. So I'll putting it here in the vinegar. So let me, oh yes, finally it happened. See, like a rubber, it's here. As I told you, see, it's like a rubber balloon. If you have seen burst balloon, so it's, see, I can break it like this, tear it like this. So it is because of vinegar effect. So you can see what acid can do. Acid can do. So this is what acid has done to the eggshell. ये देखो, इसको I can fold it. देखो, इसको I can fold it also. I can fold it like this. मगर अगर हमारे पास घर में एग हो, प्रॉपर एग हो, तो इट इज हार्ड, वी नीड टू ब्रेक इट with a spoon or something hard surface. Yes, but here it is now like this, like a balloon or like a rubber. So this is what happened to the things when it comes in contact with the acids. ठीक है? And that is what happened to the, we can say, calcium carbonate of Taj Mahal. ठीक है? Same thing happened to that also. So now with this, next move ahead, I am leaving a question for you because I have to clean my hands. So my question is, in our body, इसके बारे में सोचना है, ठीक है? Acid is helpful and acid is beneficial also. आपको वो दो acid का सोचना है, where it is helpful to us and where it is harmful to us. Beneficial and harmful, दोनों का I'm giving you 1 minute. In 1 minute, just find out the answer. Just find out the answer. वो एक फाड़ के दिखाना होता है ना, नहीं नहीं धोना है. So yes, did you get the answer, beta? Answer मिला? Did you get the answer? Okay, okay. I'll give you hint here. ठीक है? Now ध्यान से देखो. Everyone, pay attention. So now everyone pay attention. Now मैंने वो structure बनाया है basically, ठीक है? Where it is helpful and where it is beneficial. So can you tell me where acid is harmful and where it is useful to us? Which part? If acid is present here, will it help us? What it will do? What it will do? बताओ क्या करेगी? अगर एसिड हमारे दांतों में होगी तो क्या हो जाएगा? What will happen? What will the outcome of that? अच्छा, किस किस को ऐसा है, सुनने को मिलता है ज्यादा मीठा मत खाओ, दांत खराब हो जाएंगे, सुनने को मिलता है ना? सुनने को मिलता होगा. अब ये मीठे से दांत खराब होते हैं, लाइक अगर हम स्वीट खाते रहे तो स्वीट हैज समथिंग इन इट, लाइक डू स्वीट हैज ड्रिलिंग मशीन, कि वो हमारे दांतों में ड्रिल करके इसमें जो कैविटी कर देंगे? ऐसा होता है? किस किस को कैविटी है? चलो ये बताओ, कैविटी किसके है? क्योंकि बाकी मैं सेक्शंस में भी पूछ के आई हूँ. इन 4 सेक्शंस many students were very honest, they raised their hand, yes मुझे है. So I want to say in the row section, किसको कैविटी अभी है या हो चुकी है? Yes. अब ऐसा नहीं है कि 40 स्टूडेंट के स्ट्रेंथ में बच्चों को कैविटी ना हुई हो. I don't accept this. किस किस को कैविटी हुई है? सब नीचे मुंह करके बैठ गए. मुझे यहाँ से कौन सा आपके मुंह के अंदर का दिख जाएगा? I cannot see. हाँ, सीधे होके बैठो, sit straight. I don't have magnifying glass to look into your teeth. Huh? So now the question is, अब इसको ध्यान से देखो बेटा सब, और इसको बनाओ, because it can, as I say, जो टॉपिक आज मैंने लिए हैं, these are very important. These are going to link with your other chapters also. These are going to link with your next class also. जो आज के टॉपिक है वो सिर्फ आपके एसिड बेस तक नहीं है. लाइफ प्रोसेसेस इन प्लांट्स, एनिमल्स, you have to study that also. ठीक है? In 8th class also you have to study some chapters, microbes, you have, that is going to link with this. In 9th also. तो ये जो chapters, जो topic that I'm taking today, these are very important. ठीक है? So what happened? These are your teeth. ये आपके teeth हैं. If you do not brush your teeth, यहाँ पर खाने के particles, they get stuck. What happened? It's an open invitation for the microbes or bacteria. Bacteria will come here, and what they will do? They will eat this food, and while having that food, while having their party, what they do, they will release, ये तो microbes हो गए, bacteria grows on remaining food, जो बचा हुआ है खाना उसमें रह रहा है, remaining food particles, what it does, it releases acid, it कौन रिलीज कर रहा है, it's the bacteria, it releases acid and that acid cause cavity, it causes cavity, cavity acid करती है, और acid कौन रिलीज कर रहा है, that's the bacteria. So basically it's not the food who cause food cavity, but it is the very first step of food, we can say tooth cavity. क्योंकि अगर खाना नहीं होगा, bacteria will not grow, if bacteria will not grow, acid will not release and then cavity will not form. ठीक है, cavity नहीं बनेगी. So that's the reason we should brush our teeth twice a day. इसीलिए कहा जाता है ब्रश 2 बार करो, खाना जो है नहीं रहना चाहिए. If you cannot brush your teeth twice a day, rinse your mouth after everything. जब भी कुछ खाओ, पानी पीते हो, मुंह में डाल के उसको अंदर ले लो. That is how you clean your teeth. ठीक है? Now next thing is, now next acid, where acid is present in our body? Stomach. Which acid? Which acid? HCl. Now if I say HCl is a strong acid, if 1 drop of HCl fall on your hand, it will burn your hand. And we are saying that acid is inside our stomach. Then why it is not burning our stomach? Yes, why it is not burning our stomach? If it can burn, 1 drop of HCl can burn our hand, then why it is not burning our stomach? कभी सोचा है कि एसिड अगर हमारे स्टमक में है, why it is not burning it? So reason सुनो everyone. पहली बात, acid is present, यहां तक acid present है. Now to prevent, ठीक है, the harmful effect of acid, the inner wall of stomach is lined by a layer that is called mucus. जो mucus है उससे वो covered रहती है, वो exposed नहीं है stomach की wall. This mucus lining prevent it from the effect of harmful effect of acid. अब कभी आपने सुना है अपने बड़ों से, like when they come from the, or we can say come from any party or marriage, ठीक है, और अगर कुछ ओवर ईट कर लिया है और दे हैव स्पाइसी फूड, ऑयली फूड, दे कंप्लेन, यहाँ पर सारा जलन हो रहा है. यस, होता है, सुना है कभी, यहाँ पर सारा जो है फूड पाइप के यहाँ पर जलन सा हो रहा है, खट्टे डकार आ रहे हैं. डू दे कंप्लेन लाइक दिस? यस, है ना? व्हाट इज दैट? अब इसको भी सुनो. व्हेन वी हैव spicy food, over spiced food, we can say junk food, overeat, है ना? So in that case, acid level goes till that level. So acid हमें कितना चाहिए? We need only this much. Because of that type of food, its level is this. And how our stomach works? कैसे काम करता है? उसके पास कोई दांत नहीं है जो आपने खाना खाया उसको वो काटेगा. It will churn. जैसे आपके घर में मक्खन बनता है, churn ऐसे होता है ना? It is like this. So stomach also work in the same manner. In stomach, churning happens. Churning of food. तो जब वो churn होगा तो acid भी क्या होगा? हिलेगा. And because of that, this acid will goes like this. And because of that, we complain कि हमें burning sensation हो रही है. And this is called acidity. And this is called acidity. ठीक है? अब next question from this, how can we say that? How can we say that this acid is weak or this acid is strong? हम क्या acid को taste करके बताएंगे that it is strong, it is weak? No, we cannot do ना. सारी acid क्या हम HCl को पी सकते हैं? नहीं, we cannot. हमारी तो skin सारा कुछ ही burn हो जाएगा. So how can we say that one acid is strong and another is weak? So when we say any substance is an acid, कब कहेंगे? When it releases, इसको लिखो, when releases hydrogen ion, कोई चीज को एसिड हम साइंटिफिकली कब कहते हैं? व्हेन इट रिलीज हाइड्रोजन आयन, and those substances releases more hydrogen ion, it means those are strong acids. वो strong acids हैं. Those releases less hydrogen ion, those are weak acids. वो कौन सी acids हैं? Those are weak acids. That's the difference between these two. और only acids release protons और hydrogen ion only in liquid state. लिक्विड स्टेट में ही कोई सब्सटेंस जो है वो एसिड बिहेव करेगा. अगर वो सॉलिड और गैसियस स्टेट में इट विल नॉट बिहेव, बिकॉज इट विल डिसॉल्व इन लिक्विड, देन इट विल रिलीज हाइड्रोजन आयन. हाइड्रोजन आयन निकलने के लिए उसको लिक्विड होना जरूरी है. ठीक है, दैट्स द रीजन ऑफ दिस. अब आते हैं जो हमने एसिड की बात करी. वी से कुछ एसिड तो हम खा भी लेते हैं, लाइक इन द कर्ड. कर्ड हैज एसिड. कौन सी एसिड है? लैक्टिक एसिड, है ना. सो इट मींस सम एसिड वी कैन हैव. अब वो कौन सी एसिड्स हैं? मोस्टली दोज आर ऑर्गेनिक. व्हेन वी से ऑर्गेनिक एसिड, वी मेंट दैट दोज वी गेट फ्रॉम लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स. जो हमें लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म से एसिड्स मिलती हैं, दोज आर ऑर्गेनिक एसिड्स. हमारे अंदर भी जो HCl है, दैट इज ऑर्गेनिक. लेकिन अगर जो हमें बाहर से मिलेगी, दैट इज सेकेंड कैटेगरी ऑफ एसिड, दैट इज मिनरल. So when we talk about mineral acids, we get mineral acids from environment or labs. Environment या फिर लैब से हमें जो मिल रही है, those are mineral acids. ठीक है. So organic acids we can consume, these are not harmful. Minerals acid we cannot taste it. Minerals acid को हम टेस्ट नहीं कर सकते, because these can be strong, these can be harmful to us. लेकिन organic acids, these are present in living organisms like HCl in us. अगर हमें चींटी काटती है, हनी बी काटता है, तो उसके जो डंक है, जो स्टिंग है, उसमें भी एसिड होती है, दैट इज फॉर्मिक एसिड. अब जब एसिड हमारी बॉडी में जाता है, दैट कॉज दैट ईचिंग सेंसेशन, इन्फ्लामेशन. ठीक है. So that is also acid and that is also organic because we are getting from living organism. I hope now it is clear to everyone. Yes, ma'am. ठीक है. तो इसी के साथ बेटा हमने ये सारा कर लिया जो एसिड का कॉन्सेप्ट है. I want you, because you are brilliant, so I expect from the brilliant you can do at least, I think, first 4 question of your worksheet. First 4 questions. Only the first 4 question I want you to do by yourself. Rest we will do in the next class. ठीक है? So with this, I'm wrapping up the session. Bye everyone. Bye.